Hi guys, I'm Kevin, and I hope this works. Well, there she is, guys. That is a Case 446. It is a 25th anniversary edition, actually. So I think it's like 1987 or something like that. It has an Onan 16 horse twin on it. It's actually the same engine that is in the generator, the 4,000 watt generator in the motorhome. I've been shopping since we got the house for a tractor, actually a little bit before the house. And this had all the accessories that I needed and that I wanted. I can get in a package. Case tractors are pretty popular here in Michigan. A lot of 446 units, 444 units. Lots of implements been available. What I have here is a rear rototiller, hydraulically operated, like the Case tractors are. They have the drive is hydraulic, the sleeve rear lift is hydraulic, mower deck's hydraulic, front snowblower is hydraulic. Also provides down pressure, so the Dozer blade is going to come in super handy. And a 60-inch mower deck. It's a three-bladed mower deck. I guess it takes a special timing belt so to keep all three blades timed. Super wide. It's awesome. I got a bit of property here we can mow, and it comes with a sleeve hitch, which is basically your rear lift mechanism on a Case tractor. So what we got to do today is I'm going to take off the snowblower. We're going to put on the Dozer blade and get my other implements put away. We have you can see it's a little bit of winter time coming, so we're going to get this done, guys. Thank you for joining me here. I hope this works. Let's get ripping. Pretty icy out here. What you doing there, Cakes? We got a bunch of rain right after we got a little bit of snow, and then we got a little bit of snow on top of it. No, Cakes, don't get tangled up here. Come back this way, baby. Hopefully nothing's frozen in, which could be. Here's a sneak peek of inside the shed that we will use for the Case tractor and the implements. Obviously the air compressor and my woodworking tools, larger ones. Hence needing to move it a lot closer to the house. Copper wire is really expensive and I don't have power out here, and it'd be hard to run an air compressor or any type of tools in this without electricity. So springtime project, we are going to drag this across the yard, and we're going to use the tractor. So I'll get this figured out. Your lower kind of drops on those little pins. Then you just kind of lift it up and lock in your top spring pins, which is actually kind of difficult. Looks like one of mine is bent. That was giving me a lot of trouble. They're also kind of rusty, so we're gonna get that all fixed up. But then the control rod is right down here to lift it. What I figured out, let me see if I got this for you guys. Right there. Very good. Obviously our control rod doesn't really connect up to anything. This is our plate for our hydraulics. That's our lift mechanism basically. So this is the other plate. You guys are probably laughing at me already, but basically that'll mount to the front of that, or maybe the back of that, approximately there. And then our control rod can plop in one of these holes. So I'll find some bolts and get this fixed up.